Building the technology cornerstone. TXGA M5 series circular connector. Available in 3 cores and 4 cores. Product plug types include male cable, female cable, double-ended male straight cable, double-ended female straight cable, double-ended curved male cable, double-ended curved female cable, male straight curved female cable, female straight turned male cable. Sockets include welded plate front lock male sockets, welded plate front lock female sockets, crimped front lock male sockets, crimped front lock female sockets, crimped rear lock male sockets, crimped rear lock female sockets, and integrated sockets. Weight. Models cover mainstream applications in the market. Meet the diverse wiring needs of users. The connector wiring method adopts riveting process, ensures stable connection between cables and terminals and reliable performance. Terminal gold-plated. Each contact can carry current 1A. Rated voltage 60V. Impact voltage resistance 800V. Provides safe and stable electrical connections for equipment. The product has a multi-layer sealing structure. In the airtightness test of 100 kPa positive pressure inflation, the leakage amount was less than 40 Pa. And the safe operating water depth is up to 9 m, meeting the waterproof performance requirements of underwater equipment. The product follows the vibration test standards of vibration frequency 10 500 Hz, amplitude 0, 35 mm, maximum acceleration 50 mm/s superscript 2, test cycle 10 times, and test duration 6 hours. Adapt to extreme application environments with a minimum temperature of -40 degrees Celsius and a maximum temperature of 105 degrees Celsius. Complying with DIN EN 61076-2-105-2009 design specifications. It can provide flexible and reliable interconnection solutions for miniaturized equipment in harsh environments. Products have been widely used in industrial automation, sensors, medical ultrasound instruments, drones and other fields. Enter TXGA official website. You can quickly obtain product technical information, inventory and shipping cycles, product prices and other information. Order online on TXGA official website. Enjoy a convenient and efficient service experience.